Weather-wise, as you saw from the camera shot there, kind of a hazy overcast, so don't really have to worry about the shade this evening. It's warm and humid, but it's not oppressive and a bit of a breeze. The exception is we've been watching really closely Licking County getting hammered. 2-3 inches of rain in parts of Licking County. A flash flood warning there continues for another hour and a half. Mainly central and eastern parts of the county, and this came up about 3:30 to 3:45, and then a thunderstorm continued. We're looking at around 1.4 inches of rain in between Alexandria and Granville, right along 161. Newark down toward Hebron, 1.6 inches. Over toward Hanover with reports of some streets flooded over and a vehicle stranded. Over 2.2 inches of rain there. Again, radar estimates, but a pretty good estimate of where the heaviest rain has come down. Now, the radar scan does show a little bit of improvement. Earlier, around 3:30 to 4:30, this storm was not moving. Finally, it is kind of getting a little bit of momentum to the south and east. However, that simply means that areas south of Newark, headed toward the Interstate 70 corridor around Glenford, Hopewell, heading into Perry County, are getting hit by this storm. And that simply means that the areas that are not getting the heavy rain right now, Newark, kind of breathing a sigh of relief. Hanover, showers ending there, but Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Thornville, Glenford, and even over towards Zanesville getting hit. So the heaviest core of that cell right now just northwest of Harbor Hills, around Buckeye Lake, around Thornville at 5:32, Glenford at 5:41, and then Glass Rock at 5:50. So again, very slow moving storm and continues to kind of propagate or drift southeastward at a very slow pace. Aside from that, there was one pop-up shower east of Circleville around 4 o'clock. That's faded. This thunderstorm is really the only game in town and kind of rotating in toward Perry County. Aside from that, we're watching this radar scan showing a little bit of a blip. That's nothing happening there along I-71. The rest of central Ohio is clear, high and dry. Hazy sunshine, warm and humid, hopefully staying that way for the rest of your evening, but there's still the chance through about 9 o'clock of a pop-up shower or storm, not unlike we saw it in Licking County over the past 90 minutes. Just be ready, be weather aware, and we'll be tracking them. And if the weather does become severe, even after our regular newscast, you can always catch us on 10 TV Plus. Downtown right now, a different perspective overlooking lower.com, then off into the distance. You do see some hazy sunshine, a little bit of filtered blue sky in there too, and then some dark clouds into the distance with those thunderstorms in Licking County, again crossing over I-70. We're looking at temperatures down 1 degree in the past hour, probably because of the clouds cutting off a little sun. Not complaining because we also have a bit of a breeze west-southwest at about 10 miles an hour, making for a pretty pleasant evening. Next 12 hours, temperatures dropping about 10-12 degrees, around 70. Areas that do get rain this evening, while it might be few and far between, you'll see some patchy fog tomorrow morning. After that, we'll see some sunshine, the risk of a mid-afternoon and evening shower and storm. Temperatures back in the mid-80s. Quick look, hour by hour, starting off the day dry, middle part of the day, we'll watch the pop-ups continue right around Interstate 70 again. Columbus over toward Newark. Unfortunately, more rain there. Towards Zanesville, 3 to 4 o'clock. Pop-ups continue around Delaware and Franklin County. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, things settle down. And that's the way we finish off Thursday. And we'll see a repeat on Friday and Saturday. 10 weather impact, 7-day forecast, 87, 89, and 91. Get us into that weekend. Of the 2 weekend days, trending towards Sunday being the worst in terms of the highest chance of showers and storms, so make your plans accordingly. Monday, we're dry, 88, Tuesday, 90, and then right back in the showers and storms by next Wednesday with a high of 89.